Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Managing multiple Roblox accounts can be tricky, but with the Roblox Account Manager, it's a breeze. In this video, I will show you how to get started and streamline your account switching process. First of all, download Roblox Account Manager from a trusted source like GitHub. Install it on your PC. Don't worry, it's lightweight and simple to set up. Once installed, open the manager and click Add Account. Log in with your Roblox credentials. You can save multiple accounts securely. No more logging in and out manually. Now, for the magic, switching accounts is just one click away. Select a account from the list and Roblox will launch with that account logged in instantly. Now, pro tip. You can label accounts for quick identification like main or alt, perfect for managing trading, gaming, or testing accounts. And that's it. Roblox Account Manager makes multitasking on Roblox so much easier. Give it a try and let me know in the comments if it helps. Thanks for watching.